Once you have selected a motor and drive for your application, it will become necessary to add a drawing to the machine design. The 3D Models tool will provide these drawings in a format that can be used by the CAD design software, which will save you valuable time in your machine design. The first choice is to select the product for which a drawing is required. A choice can be made for various products including servo motor, servo drive, and controllers. In this example, an AKM 2G servo motor will be selected. On this page, the data for the motor will need to be entered starting with the frame size. In our example, we will select the size 3 in the drop-down menu. Next, the stacked length is chosen for a 2 stack. The winding will be for a standard AC voltage and will appear as an X. The mount will be metric. The shaft will be closed keyway. The motor will have a single right angle connector. No brake will be applied. The feedback will be Smart Feedback Device Gen 3, also known as SFD3. The thermal sensor will be the standard Avalanche PTC. There will be no shaft seal on the motor. It should be noted that depending on the selected items, other selections will not be available. For example, the only thermal sensor available with the SFD3 is the standard Avalanche PTC, while other selections are available with Hyperface DSL feedback. Also, not all the items selected will have an impact on the drawing since they may be internal to the motor. At this point, the drawing will be updated by selecting Update Preview. Across the bottom of the drawing are icons that can be used to manipulate the view. Left-click and hold while moving the mouse will rotate the motor through different views. Once the desired angle has been created, the drawing can be rotated using the animation icon. The drawing can be downloaded as a CAD file in different formats or as a PDF datasheet and drawing. The tool allows more than one to be open. Returning to the product selection page for the 3D models, the next example will be for an AKD 2G drive. In this example for the AKD 2G drive, the data will be entered for the following. For connectivity, the drive will have the EtherCAT fill bus. The voltage will be 120/240 VAC. The current rating will be 6 amps continuous and 18 amps peak. The axis count will be for the dual axis. This drive will also have the F3 legacy feedback option. The update preview is selected. Here, as well, the view can be changed. Using the icons along the bottom, the image can be snapped to a desired perspective. A left mouse click and hold allows the drawing to be rotated. The animation button will allow the drive to be rotated about the vertical axis. Dimensions brings up the 2D drawing of the drive in 3 views: front, side, and back. A CAD file can be generated and downloaded. A PDF datasheet can be generated as well. The 3D Model tool covers the Kollmorgen product lines and allows you to download CAD files for use in CAD software. The files can be shared and a PDF can be printed out. Take the 3D Model tool out for a test drive today.